Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. I'm with the Losi LMT Beast. Whoa, I didn't drive this beauty in a long time. We got some snow, so let's hit it. Snow beast here. Let's see if I can hit this big pile of snow and see what happens. That was nice. Oh, the Losi's stuck. Hit it again. What happens here? Oh, that was nice. Losi, the snow beast. Ooh, it's cold out here today, guys. Not gonna lie. Holy smokes. Oh! Hope I caught that. Thing goes over anything. Holy smokes! Dang, Losi's a beauty. of myself. No beast. I need more brakes. Looks like if you hit low voltage cutoff, this battery is just fully charged. But it was in my garage and it's like 60 degrees. So I think that may make the battery not flow the amps as much. This is an SMC 5400, I think. It's a, what is it, 90C? But this don't last long. It guzzles a lot of power in the snow, that's for sure. Oh, wipe out. Slippery here. She's a beaut though. Oh, there it is, low voltage. Whew! I think that's it for this, guys. That's it. Hope you liked it. I don't know why the low voltage kicking on. It never did this before, but then again, I didn't ride this in a long time. I'm used to riding the little cars. I think a 5300 or 5400 2S LiPo in here. This sucks a lot of power. I don't think it runs that long on it, especially in the snow. It takes a lot of power. I got like 6.5 minutes run time. But I need some bigger LiPos for this bad boy, especially in the winter. I hope you liked it, guys. Thanks for watching as always. Please leave me a like, helps me out. Leave a comment. If you're new watching, please subscribe for more. And also, hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Try shutting her down one more time. Get her to the car. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Where am I going? Let's see if I can get down this hill. Like a drop-in. Oh, got down the hill, all right. What about up the hill? Oh, that's in low. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video of the bashing of this beauty. Didn't run it in a long time. Later, guys.